the happiness that took so long to find. Some kind of animal's waiting to happen all the time. Some kind of creature gets up to meet me, I just can't fight. I've seen it, it's over there, waiting by the door. It's the creature, my feature, always coming back for more. I'm some kind of animal waiting to happen all the time. I get some kind of creature gets up to meet me, I just can't find all the time. Yes, I know, and they say you reap what you sow. Oh, but I know I get so afraid all of I might hear say. I got some kind of animal. This time I think it's gone for good. Never will return this way. But it's just fooling me, it's really ruling me. This time it's back, this time